Hello and welcome back. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you the most delicious fish and shrimp stew you've ever tasted. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Some ingredients here. I've got red onions, I've got some ginger, I've got some fennel, and I've got some garlic. What I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna put them in a blender and blend them up till it turns smooth. Some fresh shrimps, they've been washed and skinned. And some eggs. As you can see, I have cooked and fried these eggs. If you don't know how to do that, I have the link in the description box. You can check it out. Of course, I'm going to be using some fried fish. And I also have the video of how I fry my fish perfectly. I'll put a pan on fire and come in with some oil. When the oil is hot, I'll pour in my blended ingredients. I'll let this cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes. I'll come in with my tomato sauce. Be using about 10 teaspoonful of tomato sauce. And then with some dark soy sauce, some white pepper, curry powder, Thai seasoning, some salt, and some salt to taste. I'll leave this alone on low flame to simmer for about 20 minutes. I'll drop in my fried fish, followed by the shrimps. Just let this cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. Some sweet pepper, carrots, and some white onions for that extra flavor. Third, give it a good mix and drop in the eggs. The flame on low and let it simmer for about 5 more minutes. So it's been after about 5 minutes. I'll put off the flame and sprinkle on some parsley. Our fish stew is ready, and if you love seafood, you definitely need to give this a try. Of course, you can eat this with rice, with potatoes, with spaghetti, with couscous, like, with whatever. It goes well together. This is it. And I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you and let me know what you're going to pair the stew with. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.